Hi, welcome back to the learning resource from Language Academy, University Technology Malaysia. In this video, we are going to explore what material literacy is, why is it important, and how we can become more material literate. What comes to your mind when material literacy comes into the picture? Some of you might have the flashes of fabric, things around you, buildings. Right? Yes, you are not wrong. The wood material has a very broad definition depending on which perspectives we are looking from. From Barrett 2020, material may imply a substance intended for creative processing, yet it can also refer to its raw form detached from relationships with humans. Material literacy is the ability to read and understand the materials that surround us in our daily lives. It is more than just being able to recognize and identify different materials. This knowledge necessitates a thorough understanding of the life cycle of materials and their effects on the environment, society, and economy. So, what is the significance of material literacy? To begin with, the way we consume and dispose of materials has a significant impact on the environment. Cook 2022 proposed that in a time of screen saturation, digitized images of objects and manuscripts, and an emphasis on knowledge workers rather than craftspeople, we run the risk of becoming materially illiterate. From this, it is understood that in this digital era, less emphasis was given to really understand the existence of materials due to lesser connection made with the object in reality. For instance, we pay little attention to the origin of the materials, how they were produced, the people involved, or the history behind the production. Understanding the environmental impact of manufacturing and production processes, the social implications of material choices, and the economic consequences can contribute to material literacy. For example, did you know that the production of clothing is one of the largest contributors to water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions? Bailey et al. 2022 from their review revealed that the fashion industry is the second most polluting by contributing 20% of all global wastewater and 8% of all carbon emissions. Surprised? Hence, being material literate can help us make more ethical and sustainable choices. For example, we may choose to buy eco friendly products or boycott products made from materials that are harmful to society or the environment. The next question is, how can we become more material literate? Well, there are few things that we can do. First, we can educate ourselves about the materials we come into contact on a daily basis. We can learn the aspect of material literacy, as one of it is to recognize and understand different types of material, understanding the differences between plastics, metals, glass, and other materials, as well as how they can be recycled, is part of material literacy. Other than that, environmental research, understanding the social impact, learning how to properly recycle, and seeking out for more sustainable and responsible alternatives will help to raise awareness in individuals about material literacy. We can start asking questions about the products we use and the materials they are made from. For instance, where was this product made? What materials were used? Was the production socially responsible? By asking these questions, we can become more aware of the impact of our consumption patterns. Second, we can make more informed decisions about the products we buy and use. We can choose products made from environmentally friendly and ethical materials while avoiding products that are harmful to the environment and society. Another important aspect of material literacy is understanding the life cycle of materials. That should start with the extraction, the production, to the disposal of the material. The comprehension of the environmental impact and how we can reduce our impact by using materials more efficiently are some ways on how we can improve our material literacy. We also have the option of reducing our overall consumption. We can reduce our environmental impact and help to preserve finite resources by reducing the amount of materials we use. Some materials, for example, require a significant amount of energy and resources to manufacture. These can result in high carbon emissions and resource depletion. Other materials may be biodegradable and have, you know, a lower impact, a lower environmental impact. Hence, knowing consumption and its impact will help us to be more material literate. We can examine our own consumption patterns. and make conscious choices about the products we buy and use every day. We also can opt for products made from recycled materials or those produced using sustainable and ethical practices. Another way to improve our material literacy is to conduct research and educate ourselves about the differences and the various materials as well as their effects. For example, we can learn about the advantages and disadvantages of the products and materials and how they are used in various occasions. To add, we can explore more sustainable and equitable ways of living. In conclusion, material literacy is a crucial skill that can help us make more informed and sustainable choices. By understanding the life cycle of materials, the impact they have on the environment, society, and economy, we can make conscious choices that benefit ourselves and the world around us. So, let's strive to become more material literate and help create a better future for everyone. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching this video on material literacy. I hope you find this informative and engaging. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.